Hey guys, this is Mrs. Schramm. I'm back at school today. It's good to see you guys. I just wanted to go over what we're going to do today. So I'm going to come to my announcement. That's the first place you should always check. This will be 9:30 Wednesday. And this is the video. 20 minutes of Lexia, please. I saw that on Monday, several people missed this. Even though I was not in the school building, I still checked from home and saw that not many people did their Lexia. So if you are one of those people who did not, please work on that. After that, we are going to start reading our new story, Cask of Amontillado. If you click here, it is right here, this PDF. So that's what it looks like, okay? There are some questions we're going to answer as we read. If I come back to my announcement, there's the questions. So I would have your reading in one tab and your questions in the other tab so that as you read, all you have to do is click over and be able to answer them. Here's an example of what those look like. Okay? 11 questions. We will do those in class as we read during the Zoom time. That should take most of our hour today. We will have the longer class period, and we should have plenty of time to get through that and get that done. If we get that done, there is a writing assignment we will begin to look at as well. Please make sure you're going through checking announcements, checking grades, especially if you are an ePirate, a virtual learner. I'm going to start sending some emails over any concerns, but please check your grades, check announcements, and so you know what you need to be doing each day. Thanks so much.